if I'm healthy, I can play my game and I can be effective. So hopefully I can stay like that.
You sure that first one was yours?
Was that?
Was that one yours or called?
The first one? Yeah, it was mine. I'm sure.
When you
when I look around, I'm one of the older guys, more experience, and I want to be one of the leaders here, and even I want to show the guys, how it's done, even off the ice, and hopefully I can do that all year.
At the end of the year, are you going to have more goals than Danny Heatley?
I hope so. That'd be good.
I don't really want to speculate on it, but he's not playing tomorrow for sure. We'll know more maybe by the end of the day today or tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow he's doing some more tests on it, and we'll know for sure, so I don't want to speculate right now. He was kind of a steadying influence at the position, at the center ice position, and that's an important position on the team, and we'll miss him if he's not there.